In the land of myth and wonder, where tales of dragons thrived, lived Ember, a mighty dragon, in a cave where treasure shined. Atop his hoard of precious gems, of gold and silver bright, he sat alone, day after day, forgetting life's true light. His heart grew heavy with each passing year, as joy and laughter disappeared. But on one fateful sunny day, Ember chose to break away. He stepped outside, into the world, and felt the warm embrace of sunlight dancing on his scales, and nature's gentle grace. The colours of the wildflowers, like jewels upon the land, the emerald leaves, the sapphire streams, a sight so pure and grand. The birds sang melodies of gold, the children's laughter rang, and Ember's heart, once cold and closed, began to feel a pang. He realized then, with sudden clarity, that true wealth lay in life's simplicity. He made new friends, both big and small, and learned to love and share the treasures that he once had hoarded, no longer his sole care. For in the world he found a treasure, greater than his trove, a wealth of happiness and wonder, a life he now behoove. From that day forth, Ember embraced the gems of every day, the beauty of the natural world in every grand display. He cherished friends both old and new, and learned to give his heart. For in the world he found his place, a brand new journey start. So listen well, dear children, to the tale of Ember's quest, for in his story lies a truth, a lesson for the best. True wealth is not in hoarded gold or gems that one can hold, but in the love and beauty found in life's most precious fold.